In front of me is Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 6, and today I would like to show you how you can use split screen. Begin by selecting one of your apps that you wish to use on the top half of your screen and access it in the background. Then click on the icon of it and click on Open in Split Screen View. If your phone is folded, this app will appear at the top. If it's unfold, it will appear on the left. Then tap on the second app. As you can see now, I can use both at the same time. If you wish to go back from this mode, drag one of your apps all the way to the right or to the left and click on Home button. To switch placement of them, you can click on those three dots in the middle and use this icon with two arrows. If you want to change split screen view, click on the same dots and use this little icon of a square. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!